Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can give control to another participant in Microsoft Teams during screen sharing. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're on your Microsoft Teams is of course go to Meeting and join if you haven't yet. Join a meeting if you haven't yet and just wait for it to load and yeah, wait for it to connect. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will share your screen. So you can choose what you want to share, whether your window, the entire screen, or just Microsoft Edge tab. So you will just have to click share after that. So, um, so for example, this right here, click share. And now, as you can see, it's now sharing. And next, what you will have to do is um, you will click give control in the meeting toolbar. So it should be right here if you do have that option. So you have to make sure that you do have that option so you will be able to actually do this. So after you've enabled that, you will just have to select the participant that you want to give control to, and they will now be able to control your screen until you take back control. And by the way, you should only share control with trusted participants so that you will be able to avoid accidental changes. And yeah, that's basically just it. And again, you have to make sure that you're using the correct version of the website or the desktop or the application so that you will be able to actually see that feature. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.